Algorand's EMA truly shows a sort of descending pattern in an all things considered significant way. As far as ALGO support floor, it truly is currently 29 cents in a genuinely enormous manner. ALGO fundamentally rose 8.11% in 7 days, or so they basically thought. Algorand in every practical sense is as of now esteemed at 22 cents the 4th of April 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and essentially attempt to answer these much of the time commonly got clarification on some things. What truly is truly transient cost expectation for Algorand? Fundamentally is ALGO a sort of wise speculation, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, or so they in a real sense thought. In any case, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the ALGO specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us in a real sense discuss the really current economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital currency market to $182,407,897,617, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. The sort of complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $52,294,939,930, which basically is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33%. For the most part, further appearance how market examination over the last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $182,407,897,617 in an extremely huge manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%. So Algorand's EMA in a real sense shows a descending pattern in an all things considered large way. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours, which especially is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03. Following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP for the most part is somewhere near 2.13 and right now exchanging at 50 cents, which generally is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which explicitly is very critical. These occasions truly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a sort of descending heading for sort of present moment, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%, sort of additional appearance how market examination over the last 24 hours. There essentially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole cryptographic money market to $182,407,897,617 genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, a truly broad for the most part bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting what fundamentally brought about Bitcoin, as cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%. So Algorand's EMA certainly shows a very descending pattern in an unpretentious manner. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how as far as ALGO support floor, it really is presently 29 cents in a genuinely significant manner. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers most certainly become considerably more most certainly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which really is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors truly become truly dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how the essentially all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $52,294,939,930 kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Following really are the help and opposition levels of Algorand. Algorand execution. The genuinely current Algorand cost explicitly is 22 cents, with an exchanging volume of $59,971,012 in the precise beyond 24 hours. Sort of additional appearance how as far as ALGO support floor, it generally is presently 29 cents, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Right now, ALGO especially is up by 0.72% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $1,544,740,787 USD, which explicitly shows what for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%. So Algorand's EMA really shows a kind of descending pattern in a truly significant manner. Algorand Value Examination ALGO Cost Investigation for the 4th of April 2023 inside a genuinely everyday time span sort of made sense of beneath, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving truly normal union and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially basic moving sort of normal and remarkable moving truly normal to by and large investigate the future development of the Algorand, which most certainly is very critical. The Algorand by and large has for the most part break all its by and large backings levels and things in every way that really matters are not looking sort of great for the crypto market. Exceptionally further appearance how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which all things considered is genuinely critical. As of now, really bears for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively by and large take ALGO cost underneath the essential help level of 29 cents, exhibiting how Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense. Recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how as far as ALGO support floor, it truly is presently 29 cents, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. While ALGO's Williams %R marker especially is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition, a exchange in every practical sense. Signal truly is truly conceivable at this reach. Pretty further appearance how Algorand's EMA for the most part shows a by and large descending pattern in a sort of significant manner. The ALGO, USD moving truly normal combination and uniqueness marker especially is showing a very present moment in every practical sense. Sell in every way that really matters. Signal as the MACD line by and large is moving underneath especially signal line which truly implies explicitly bears explicitly are ruling on the lookout, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The genuinely relative strength file demonstrates that the ALGO coin for the most part is close oversold zone, as RSI fundamentally is at 31 in every practical sense. Further appearance how while ALGO's Williams %R pointer sort of is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal sort of is conceivable at this reach. Certainly further appearance how Algorand's EMA in every practical sense shows an especially descending pattern in a very significant manner. Ends Algorand market in every practical sense, gives a bullish indications, and bulls can sort of push ALGO essentially higher in the approaching meeting, which most certainly shows that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a kind of descending heading for commonly present moment, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%. Genuinely further appearance how market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole cryptographic money market to $.